Good morning, friends. In this session, let us discuss the good handwriting in English. How to write beautifully the English alphabet and English. How to improve English handwriting. Let us see in this session. See, all the English letters adjust in these patterns. These patterns will help you to write beautifully English letters. See, these are the letters we use to write English letters. చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్యాటర్న్స్లో ఇంగ్లీష్ లెటర్స్ ఎలా అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతాయో చూద్దాము. చూసిన తర్వాత ఇంగ్లీష్ లెటర్స్ రాయడానికి మనం ముందుగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల్సింది ఏ ప్యాటర్న్స్. చూడండి, మొదట ఏ ఏ A, next B, B, then C, then D, then E, F, and G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. See how beautifully we have written the letters. So you have to practice these patterns to write almost all the letters. See, with this letter we can write I and T, and with this pattern we can write L, H, B, and K. So with this pattern we can write G, J, Q, etc. And if you can write C nicely, you can write A, D, G, Q, and E. These are the letters we write basing on C, and U and Y are written alike. So if you practice these patterns well, you can write your handwriting, you can make your handwriting beautiful, and you can improve your handwriting. Okay, friends.